Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always and as I always want you to be. So today's story is highly motivating and inspiring. You know why? Okay, now we'll start narrating the story. So this story is about Shabir Sayed. He is staying in a drought-stricken land which is in Maharashtra, district Beed, a small district Beed. So he's staying there and he is taking care of more than 100 cows which would be dead by now if he would not be taking care. And if you will know the inspiring story and the background, he's continuing the legacy of his father and he's serving this from past 30 years. Yes, my dear friends, he's such a generous environmentalist. So his father was a butcher and he just could not survive in that profession. He just left that profession. Then he took two cows. He said, I just can't slaughter them, and you just give me two cows and I'll take care of these cows. So he just brought them home. Then the number kept on increasing day by day, and now Shabir Sayed, since his childhood, he has seen that, and now he's taking care of these all the cows, almost all the cows in the town. And he said, I'm doing this from past 30 years of my life, and he is more than 58 or so, and he has received Padma Shri. Government of India has recognized these wonderful efforts which he has done, and it was very challenging because these cows consume almost 15,000 liter water, which is very challenging in this particular area. So he just get help from philanthropy from everywhere, right? So he is having purpose, and he says we'll make sure that these cows are not going to any slaughterhouses. And the Padma Shri awardee, the ones whose effort has been recognized at national level, he is just earning 70,000 by selling manure of the cow, organic manure. Yes, and 70,000, it's not per month, it's per year. Yes, my dear friends, that's India for you. So people who really work and who really does something for Mother Nature, who are environmentalists, are getting so less money, and they are at the mercy of these entertainers and cricketers who are not even doing anything for human race or environment, and who I mean, if you have seen the news of MS Dhoni also, I mean, it's way back when there was water shortage. His swimming pool water was getting changed every day. So there are so many news. I really don't want to name all these people, but they are not doing anything good to environment. They are not even doing anything good to human race, not much as they can do. So still we are worshipping them like gods. So it's high time when we need to change our heroes, and we need to make these heroes and make these people famous so that they should get more money to do environmental work and to do something for Mother Nature, right? And my again wellness tip, this guy is having a purpose in life because he's having certain plans. I will send the link in description box. You can go through his inspiring story and you'll be amazed to read that. So today's wellness tip is, if he would not be having purpose, he would have never got support. Like yesterday also, that guy was knowing that I want to open an English medium school. I would not be even okay with Arabic medium, right? So if you will go to a ticket counter, right, and you will ask that, okay, give me a ticket to Delhi. He will give you a ticket to Delhi because you are clear you want to go to Delhi. And if you go to ticket counter and you will say, I don't want a ticket to Delhi, but you can give me any other ticket. Suppose if you would be that person, how would you feel? There are so many cities, so many states, so many places, which ticket he wants. So maybe he will give you Delhi ticket because he had heard that city, right? So that's one thing which is happening with our brain also. When we say, na, I don't want a Figo car, I don't want a Ferrari, I mean, or maybe any other car, I don't want diabetes, I don't want blood pressure, I don't want this or whatever, I don't want toxic people. What you don't want, your brain is not at all bothered. And if they have heard that word, they don't know whether you want or not. If you have just thought about that, it will get fulfilled. कई बार हम सोचते हैं ना, हमने ये तो सोचा ही नहीं था, ये कैसे हो गया, हम तो चाहते थे ये ना हो बस. बिकॉज नाउ यू नो कि आपको दिल्ली का टिकट नहीं चाहिए तो आप दिल्ली जाओगे. सो इफ़ आई बाय अ टिकट टू दिल्ली, गोवा और एनी वेयर और मुंबई, सो that is the duty of pilot, right? Or maybe if I'm going on train, that is the duty of that driver. What is the way they are taking me? But I'm clear I have to reach there, right? So, and you always reach there, right? मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि मैंने टिकट अगर कहाँ का लिया और मैं कहाँ पहुँच गई हूँ. इट नेवर हैपन विद मी एंड आई एम ट्रैवलर सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड. या आई एम ट्रैवलिंग सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड to and to many places. Yeah, so it never happened. Maybe flights are halting somewhere due to bad weather or something, but yes, I always used to reach at my destination, right? आज नहीं तो कल पहुंच ही जाऊंगी. चलो हॉल्ट हो गया कोई बात नहीं, बट पहुंच जाऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैंने उसी जगह का टिकट लिया एंड दैट इज़ देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेक मी देयर. तो अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है मुझे जाना कहाँ है तो फ्लाइट वाला तो मुझे घुमाता ही रहेगा, कहीं भी घूमते जाऊंगी, कहीं पहुंचूंगी ही नहीं. सो दैट्स वाई पर्पस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ यू नो वाई आई सेड कि आपको ना नहीं बोलना है कि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. आपको बस जो चाहिए आप वो बोलो, मुझे ये चाहिए. दिस इज़ योर वेलनेस टिप फॉर योर वेलबींग, फॉर योर हेल्थ, फॉर योर लाइफ, फॉर योर पर्पस, फॉर योर गोल्स. सो आई एम हाईली ग्रेटफुल and glad that you all are watching my videos and you all are sharing also, liking, subscribing, and I'm highly grateful for to read all the personal comments, and I seriously get emotional, and I'm sure that I will also reach this. I will also reach this my destination, whatever I have decided, because I am forming the tribe. I mean, now we are forming the tribe. I have so many people now, so we are forming the tribe to reach this destination together, right? And yes, thank you so much, and see you till next video. Bye bye, take care.